Good afternoon, Terrence. Eventually, I'll get comfortable saying that. Eventually. The funny thing about living with grief is it's a sneaky bugger. Doesn't matter how many days, hours, months, years go by. You can be trucking along thinking you're doing fine, and you start realizing actually, no, you're slipping into some pretty bad patterns. Um, but the only way you can do that is to know thyself. That old question. Um, Try to cut the ums down. Hate that. And I won't replace it with yeah, which everybody does now. Know thyself. Question who you are. If you've never questioned who you are, well, past time. These are definitely times to be making sure you've done that. And if you have questioned who you are, at this point you probably are aware that the question then becomes, who am I becoming? Because there's always a future version of ourselves, a past version of ourselves, and the current version of ourselves. We are not static. We change constantly. That's why conservatism in its core is so ridiculous. The only true constant is change, and at its core, being conservative means you're against change. I realize that people have strayed away from certain base realities with what words mean, but they still are what they are. So it's a simple thing, just, be willing to ask yourself on a daily basis, who am I? And some days you might be a prick, and other days you might be a saint. It just depends, right? So, good luck. You're going to have plenty of days you forget, but try to remember more often than not, and you'll generally end up having a better life for it.